My name is Safia Essien, and my research focuses on regeneration after damage and how cancer cells can co-opt this to become more aggressive. My work is primarily concerned with looking at regeneration after damage. And because it is incredibly difficult to visualize cells in a living tissue, I use zebrafish as my model system. Within my research specifically, I look at epithelial stem cells, and I induce damage in a subset of those epithelial stem cells and then look at how the neighbors mobilize to replace their dead neighbors. Within a cancer context, cancer has often been described as a wound that doesn't heal. So I have taken my findings in zebrafish where I noticed that dying cells actually stimulate growth. And I've been using an aggressive form of breast cancer where I will add dead cancer cells to a plate of live cancer cells. And what I've noticed is these cancer cells actually grow more after I do that. So currently, my work is focused on trying to understand what types of signals dying cells are sending and whether this can help inform future treatment options for cancer patients. I want my work to be impactful in a way that helps inform better treatment options for cancer patients. Because currently, when cancer patients are given chemotherapy, the goal is to kill as many cancer cells as possible. But there isn't much research into what these dead cancer cells are doing. So I'm really hoping that my research can help inform a treatment strategy that effectively kills cancer cells without those dead cancer cells having an effect. The fellowship has been extremely helpful in helping me drive my project forward. It has also helped with alleviating some of the financial burden that comes with being a graduate student. And finally, receiving the fellowship has been a great way for me to see that people believe in the work I'm doing and they see its importance and why I should keep doing it.